What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Nuka Cola tag. So I found a couple of files on Bamboo Labs that were for free, and they were all Fallout stuff, all Nuka Cola stuff, but I wanted to print this little tag that you'd like put on your lunchbox or anything with a strap, like a book bag. And I resized it a little bit, so the width's a little bit longer like this, so it'll fit my lunchbox perfectly. So we're going to see how long this is going to take. And if you guys want to see these other models, please let me know down in the comments. These are like the cherry Nuka Cola, regular Nuka Cola. I think this is a keychain, 2 signs. This is the Nuka Cola Quantum with the label in the top. So please let me know if you want to see those in the future or not, and we'll see how long this little tag takes. Okay, it's going to be about 22 minutes and 3 seconds. It's going to be printing just like this. Alright, let's get to it. Oh, I got done printing this. I don't need to do much work on it. Everything came out perfect. So all I gotta do is paint it now. I'm gonna start with a primer. I'm gonna use this primer black to completely cover all of this up and get it ready for the paint. Then I'm gonna paint it red and white. So, and the red part is going to be the background, the white is going to be the letters. So, getting all of that done, and then it should be fine. Let's get to it. Ended up having to use some brushes for the back to cover up all the white that I accidentally sprayed back there. Then I added some metallic paint for the edges to give it more of a weathered look. I think it came out really great. And there it is, what it looks like after you put it together. I have it on this strap for my lunchbox. Like I said, you can also put this on your book bag or anything else that has a strap. I would just resize it to make sure it fits. This just barely fits, which is good enough for me. I just want something to decorate this with, so. Alright. So, I think this looks really good. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you'll like it, and please let me know down in the comments if you want to see me do more projects like this. I really enjoyed making this, and I really want to do more Nuka Cola products like this. I love Fallout, and I love all this designs and stuff like this, so So please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. And thank you guys for all the support. I really do appreciate it. Okay. See you in the next video. Peace.